Hello guys, today we are going to read this story, map story. Let's start. Can you read this one? No? If you can't read, then practice with me. See the lines here. On the first morning of the vacation, Anika slept in a bit later than usual, filled with anticipation for a joyful summer vacation ahead. Her cousin, this one is cousin, cousin, cousin Karan was coming to visit her in the beautiful village of Nandipur. He lived in Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Odisha. She imagined all the fun activities they would do. We'll explore the outdoors. This one is the short form of we will. Okay? Explore the outdoors, cycle, swim in the river, pick flowers. It's going to be so enjoyable. So, thought happily, but a little worry was nagging her. It was Karan's first trip by himself. How would she find his way to her house? Suddenly,